Good morning, my dear children. Uh, Today, again, we are discussing on the topic health and hygiene. I am Mrs. Sandhya Raje, TGT English from JNV Nanded. Uh, Again, we are discussing on the same topic health and hygiene. So, I was talking about the balance between the workplace and the home. The person who is having a good attitude can balance between the workplace and the house. Wherever he goes, because of his positive attitude, he will show a good spirit. He will balance the work as well, and he can complete the task peacefully because he has a healthy habit. So let us continue why health is very important. You feel motivated to finish off the task of hand at hand and will be interested to work on more number of things. Your mind develops a natural tendency to focus upon the positives and is not bothered much about the negatives. Most importantly, at the end of the day, you can sleep well and you do not have to start the next day with a body ache or joint pain or stomach upset. As a result, you do not need a medical leave too often and you will get your salary at the end of the month without any deductions. So, what is the use of our health? If you are healthy, you can complete your task in time. Moreover, you will be interested in doing many more things. So you will complete your task without having any trouble, and also you will be interested in completing other work also. You can help others also in your workplace. So because of this reason, you will become a interesting member in your team. All will need help from your nature. That is why you will, and after completing your task without any hesitation, without any problem, you will have a sound sleep too. That results when you get up in the morning, you will not have any ache in your body, you will not have any physical disorder in your body, so that the next day would be a successful day of your life. Because of your health, you can do all these things and you will have your full salary without having any medical leave. So health is really important because of these reasons. Why is health important for children? Staying healthy is vital for proper growth and development of their mind and body. They require enough energy to spend the entire day in school. They should be able to focus in the classroom and fully participate in the activities on the field. For this, they need proper nutrition, which includes carbohydrates, proteins, calcium, minerals, etc. Today, most parents have a basic knowledge of food and health related issues. So, why for children? Now, I am talking about you only. You are all children. You are having so many duties in a day. Suppose if you are a student in a school, you will have a number of periods. You will have physical exercises too. You have to play on the ground. You have to, being a residential student, students are having so many duties. Agree? Right. So why health is very important for children? So when you get admission for 6th standard in Navodaya, so you are coming with so many aspects. Your parents also expect so many things from you, and when you enter the Vidyalaya campus, you will become very nervous because after seeing so many different schedule of the activities, you may be afraid. That is why you should be healthy. If you are healthy, then only you can cope up with the situation. Here, no one is here. Your parents are not here. Teachers are only your parents. So, early in the morning, when there is a whistle, when your PT teacher calls you, you have to get up early in the morning, 5:30, and you have to come for a warm up, what you call exercise. You have to take so many rounds. You have to do meditation. You have to do yogas for half an hour or 40 minutes. Then you will go back to your dormitories. You will start your regular routine. So for to do all these things, your health should cope up. Then only you will become a successful student, a good student in our campus, in our Navodaya. Otherwise, generally what students do, they do not cooperate with the schedule, with our new schedule, and they will become sick. They will go home, and again when they go home, again they will be lagging behind in their syllabus, in their studies, and finally it results in a bad result. So if your health is in a good condition, you can cope up with the situation. You will become a successful, good student in our Vidyalaya. So, however, they often fail to understand that regular medical checkup is a must for every child. This helps them to learn from the experts whether the child's development in terms of height and weight is proper. They should also take the child for dental checkup and eye checkup on a regular basis. Even child behavior has to be monitored closely. This way, any major health problem can be prevented in future. So when you come to the campus, you will be checked, medically checked by your medical officer. With your medical certificate only, you will get a admission in our campus, and regularly medical checkup is going on, and on this basis only the admission will be closed. And also when you are staying here, your behavior is observed by your house subject teachers, the principal, vice principal, all the members of our campus, so that how your health should be there, it will be checked. You have a better control over your life. For healthy living, a disciplined life is a must. You have to eat nutritious food and exercise regularly. Stay away from unhealthy habits like smoking and heavy drinking. It is also essential to keep the mind healthy by nurturing the right kind of thought and proper stress management. So, to lead a healthy life, you should also take care of your diet. You should not have any unhealthy habit, and you should take balanced food, which is preferably in the chart, and you have to just follow the chart, and you should take a healthy balanced diet. And what is actually the hygiene? Hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain health and prevent the spread of disease. Why? To keep a good health, you should follow the healthy hygiene. So what does the word hygiene means? Hygiene means that is a practice, good practice of health. Why we should practice the hygiene? Because to keep our health in a good condition. The importance of hygiene. With the kind of health risks that are posed to the human race today, it has become vital to stay as hygienic as possible. In fact, most of the new world diseases like bird flu and swine flu have been attributed to lack of hygiene. And if we fight lack of hygiene today, it will have good effects of generations after us too. So why we should keep healthy hygiene practice? because if you keep this hygiene practice in a regular manner, then you will not have any health problem. So if you keep your health very good, then only because of your hygiene practices, so that we cannot have any diseases, and we will not have any diseases by keeping our hygiene regularly. And hygiene is a habit that needs to be focused on and inculcated in children at an early age. And it need not be restricted to our bodies alone, it needs to be maintained in our surroundings as well. Let us uh, let us see how we can go about this. So, just to keep our hygiene practice regularly, and it should be cultivated in our children also, and also they should follow what we are doing. Children, for children, we are the models. How we behave in the same way, the children of that particular house is followed, and we need to be very healthy by keeping our hygiene in a good, not only in our house, in our surroundings also we should keep the surroundings very clean, so that we should not have any diseases, contagious diseases. Let us see how we can practice this. Practicing self hygiene. Considering the kind of weather conditions and harsh climate that India faces, it is all the more important that we stay as hygienic as possible and teach our children these good habits. In fact, we Indians have a reputation for our lack of hygiene, and it is time we did something about it. Being unhygienic could not only repel your friends and colleagues but also your partner. If you are clean, your society is attracted towards you. If you are having clean habits, even all the people who are very near to you, near and dear to you, they will be attracted towards you. Otherwise, if you are not keeping clean yourself, no one will like you, and everybody will be disattracted, not attracted towards you, and they repel. This habit repels your friends too. So you keep yourself very clean. Not only ourselves, even our surroundings should be very clean. Then only we can practice. Here are some tips on situations where you can practice hygiene. Always brush your teeth twice a day. Dental hygiene is very important, and teeth can easily get damaged if not properly maintained. Always bath once or more every day. Bathing regularly is very important, especially in the city where humidity and pollution can make your body a bacteria magnet. Where if uh, where if you travel through extremely polluted areas, constant exposure to pollutions can raise toxin levels in the body and cause respiratory issues. So let us see from the teeth. So every day we brush our teeth regularly, so that you can keep your teeth very clean. Dental cleanliness is very important, and so that bad smell will not come, and you take bath every day, once or more than once you can take a bath. Where if you are living in a city where pollution is more, where humidity is more, you have to take twice bath regularly, and so that your body will be cleaned, and you just keep yourself safe when you go in a mass. Okay, thank you.